Hey there, language learners. Welcome back to IdiomIQ. Today, I got another interesting set of idioms that will help you sound like a native. At the end of this video, you'll learn 15 idioms that you can use to replace your "I'm fine." Are you interested? If yes, hit the subscribe button to support this channel and continue watching. Here are 15 idioms that you can use to avoid saying "I'm fine." Number 1, right as rain, meaning feeling perfectly well. When to use: when you're feeling better after an illness or challenging situation. Example: don't worry about me, I'm as right as rain now. Number 2, fit as a fiddle, meaning in good health. When to use: to express that you're feeling physically well. Example: I've been exercising regularly and now I'm fit as a fiddle. Number 3, up and about, meaning active, feeling well enough to move around. When to use: after recovering from an illness or injury. Example: I was bedridden last week, but I'm up and about now. Number 4, in fine feather, meaning in good spirits and health. When to use: when you're feeling particularly energetic or cheerful. Example: I got a promotion at work, so I'm in fine feather these days. Number 5, on the mend, meaning improving, especially in health. When to use: when you're recovering from an illness or setback. Example: I was feeling down last week, but I'm on the mend now. Number 6, in the pink, meaning in good health, feeling great. When to use: when you want to emphasize that you're feeling exceptionally well. Example: thanks for asking, I'm in the pink. Number 7, alive and kicking, meaning full of energy, alive and well. When to use: to emphasize that you're not just okay, but you're full of life. Example: how am I? I'm alive and kicking. Number 8, tickety-boo, meaning everything is going fine, it's all okay. When to use: to assure someone that you're doing well, often in a cheerful way. Example: everything's tickety-boo on my end. Number 9, hunky-dory, meaning everything is satisfactory. When to use: when things are going smoothly or you're feeling good. Example: how am I? Oh, everything's hunky-dory. Number 10, as good as gold, meaning very good, well-behaved. When to use: when you want to stress that you're doing well, often more in behavior than in health. Example: I'm as good as gold, no worries here. Number 11, peachy keen, meaning everything is fine, doing well. When to use: when you're feeling good and everything is going smoothly. Example: how am I? I'm peachy keen, thanks for asking. Number 12, in seventh heaven, meaning extremely happy or content. When to use: when you want to emphasize that you're more than fine, you're elated. Example: I'm in seventh heaven now that I finished all my exams. Number 13, full of beans, meaning energetic, lively. When to use: when you're feeling energized and enthusiastic. Example: don't worry about me, I'm full of beans today. Number 14, in high spirits, meaning feeling cheerful and lively. When to use: to indicate that you're in a good mood. Example: I'm in high spirits, can't complain. Number 15, on cloud 9, meaning extremely happy or euphoric. When to use: when you're feeling extremely joyful or satisfied. Example: I just got engaged, so I'm on cloud 9. There you have it. These idioms offer a variety of ways to say, "I'm fine" in English, allowing you to express yourself more interestingly. If you found this video helpful, please hit subscribe and see you again tomorrow.